In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign multiple people to one Asana task. In Asana, only one person can be the assignee, the single owner responsible for finishing the work. But when you need several teammates to follow progress, weigh in, or contribute, you add them as collaborators. Collaborators get notifications, can comment, and can attach files, which is exactly how you involve multiple people on one task without changing the single assignee. Start by opening Asana and landing on your home view. This is your personal dashboard where you can quickly jump into recent projects and tasks. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so the task you're working on is available. Next, look to the left sidebar and open My Tasks. This area shows everything assigned to you across projects. It's a handy place to find the task you want to share with others, even if it lives in a different project. If your sidebar is minimized, expand it so you can see the navigation clearly. From here, click on the specific task you want to involve multiple people in. This will open the task details pane, where you'll see its title, due date, assignee, description, subtasks, and activity. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right task and that the core details are accurate, since collaborators will be notified about updates. Now scroll to the bottom of the task details and find the section labeled Collaborators. This is the area that controls who gets updates and can participate in the conversation. It's separate from the assignee field, which remains a single person. Click the plus icon in the Collaborators section. This opens a small field where you can add people to the task. You'll see your organization's directory, and Asana will suggest teammates based on what you type. In the field, start typing the name of the teammate you want to add. As you type, matching results will appear. Choose the correct person from the list. Repeat this to add as many collaborators as you need. Each person you add will start receiving notifications when the task is updated or commented on, helping them stay aligned without assigning the task to multiple people. That's all there is to it. Remember, the assignee remains the single owner, while collaborators are your extended team on the task. Use collaborators for stakeholders, reviewers, or anyone who needs visibility. If notifications get noisy, teammates can adjust their notification settings per task later. With this approach, you keep accountability clear while making sure everyone who matters is in the loop.